Good afternoon, everybody. Hope all is well. I'm a little excited. I got me a box of products here. Still waiting on my solar panels, but I believe everybody knows what these color boxes mean. I'm going with Rich Solar Products in my new van, since I have one of their panels and charge controllers in my other van, and I like their products and they work. So I'm going to go with that for my new van. The only difference is the batteries are SOK. 206 amp hour lithium ion batteries. Yeah, the fancy ones with the Bluetooth and the heaters. Had to have the best, huh? Anyway, in this box is my 40 amp charge controller. Good product. Have one in the other van. These are the cables that go from the charge controller to the battery. These are the cables that go from the solar panels to the charge controller. Of course, I picked up the Bluetooth module. Gotta have it. Don't know why, the batteries are Bluetooth, but hey, whatever. 3 sets of mounting brackets. I got the 600 watt kit, which comes with 3 200 watt solar panels. It ought to be enough. Anyway, if not, I've got too many electrical demands. This thing I'm really geeky about. The master disconnect switch. Boy, that thing sure is a hefty piece, huh? Oh wow, cool. I think I'm gonna like that. I'll just stick that in there so it don't get lost. What's that? That's oh, an inline fuse. Okay, cool. These big old cables are gonna go to the inverter. Oops, spoiler alert. I got a big old inverter too. I love gadgets. Anyway, so after having fought with the rear door of an Econoline for what seemed like hours and hours, I finally got it open. Now I can access the back corner of the van where I'm going to be putting my electrical system and hiding it with a bed. I'm going to get some of this put together. Probably just stand here and stare at it and draw a couple sketches to figure out how I'm going to put it. But I'll be back with results and possibly a little bit of during the process videos. I don't know what the term is, but you know, anyway, I will see y'all in a little bit.